Mindfulness in relationships. Discover the power of mindfulness in relationships. It's more than being present, it's about deep, intentional connection. Understand your partner's needs without words. Tap into emotions, decode silent signals effortlessly. Mindfulness fosters empathy, patience, and compassion. It's not just for you, it's for your relationship's health. Imagine a relationship free of misunderstandings, fueled by love and understanding. That's what mindfulness offers. Start your journey today. Embrace mindfulness, transform your relationships. The power of change lies within you. Mindfulness is not just an individual experience, but something that can profoundly enrich your connections with others. Mindfulness is all about being present and fully engaged in each moment of our lives. It's about living in the here and now, free from distractions, judgments, and preoccupations. In relationships, this means being fully present for the other person. It means listening deeply, understanding profoundly, and responding genuinely. It means being there for them, with your whole heart and mind. Mindfulness helps us to see the beauty in our relationships. It helps us to appreciate the joy, the love, the companionship that we share. It helps us to see the other person for who they truly are, not just who we want them to be. Mindfulness also helps us to manage conflict in our relationships. It helps us to respond rather than react, to understand rather than judge, to communicate rather than confront. It helps us to find solutions that are fair, balanced, and mutually beneficial. Mindfulness helps us to cultivate compassion and empathy in our relationships. It helps us to understand the other person's feelings, thoughts, and needs. It helps us to respond in a caring, understanding, and supportive way. Mindfulness also helps us to manage stress in our relationships. It helps us to stay calm, focused, and balanced, even in the face of challenges and difficulties. It helps us to keep our peace of mind, even when things are not going our way. Mindfulness helps us to build trust in our relationships. It helps us to be honest, open, and transparent with each other. It helps us to share our feelings, thoughts, and experiences with each other, without fear or hesitation. Mindfulness helps us to grow and evolve in our relationships. It helps us to learn from our mistakes, to embrace change, and to strive for continuous improvement. It helps us to become better partners, friends, and companions. Mindfulness helps us to treasure the precious moments of our relationships. It helps us to cherish the laughter, the tears, the triumphs, and the trials that we share. It helps us to create memories that are filled with love, joy, and happiness. In conclusion, mindfulness can be a powerful tool for enriching our relationships. It can help us to deepen our connections, enhance our communication, and strengthen our bonds. It can help us to live a life that is filled with love, understanding, and fulfillment. So, begin your journey of mindfulness in relationships today. Embrace the power of being present, of being genuine, of being compassionate. And watch as your relationships transform before your eyes.